Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 18th Jan, Nifty ends this week around 23,221 and Bank Nifty at 48,556. See, in this weekend video, many have asked for a broader markets update. So we will discuss the broader markets after analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, see Nifty in our previous video just posted on Wednesday midweek market update. I said that the price reached important support and the price can reverse from here itself or after making a one more lower, and for that we need to see the gap point in Nifty. I hope you remember, and if you notice the price exactly reversed at the gap point, okay, and the price is coming lower. Again, the same view which I have mentioned in the midweek market update. If you see the Nifty alone, okay, if you analyze the chart, Nifty chart alone, there is a higher probability of price going lower, and the price may minimum expectation was 22,500, and even what we discussed in our previous video, like it can reach even 21,800. Okay, by seeing the Nifty chart alone. Okay, so just a channel can give that perspective. Okay, this is simple channel and the price may move to the lower band and it can reach around 21,800. This is the normal analysis if we analyze only Nifty. This is valid. Okay, this is valid when Bank Nifty not supports. Okay, but if you consider the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty had very important zone. Okay, that's 48,000. You know, the price bounced 1,000 points, and what I said was the price can reverse from here itself. I mean, not making one more low below 48,000, and even if it comes, the support is very close to that. So in this aspect, so when Bank Nifty wants to take support and move higher, Nifty also possibly take support at the nearest possible support. Okay, that's the idea. So here the focus on Bank Nifty. This is the background understanding for analyzing the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what we can expect in the coming week, the price can move from here itself. Okay, not making the lower lows, and it can move higher. But at the same time, if the price comes below this 23,040, which is previous low, we should consider how it is declining, whether it coming slower or what pattern it is forming. Okay, since we are expecting the reversal from here, the pattern may take an ending diagonal or slower structure. Basically a slower structure. If the price comes slower, this 23,000, 22,990, this is the primary support, and 22,850. So basically we can expect support between 22,990, 23,000 to 23,850 to complete this correction, and the price can start moving higher. We don't know whether the new impulse may proceed or not as of now, because it can become a complex, a W, X, Y, X, Z. Okay, but we can expect a good support and a very good bounce in the markets if the price gets support here. All these are based on the assumption that this Bank Nifty getting support here itself. Okay, even Bank Nifty comes lower, we can expect the same level of support or between 47,600 to 47,500. Right? So this is the expected support. So the idea here is both Nifty and Bank Nifty can move from here itself, or it can make one more lower, and the very important support is close to the price level of approximately 47,600 to 47,500, and Bank Nifty also can start moving higher from here. Okay, this is the assumption. Okay, but if these levels not support, as I said in the previous video, the price can even reach to 46,300, and the entire view can change, wave count can change if the price moves below 46,000. So the same view as per our midweek market update, the Bank Nifty can bounce from here itself, or if the price makes a new low, we need to see the important levels of 47,600 to 47,500. Okay, that's a zone, and if the price moves fast below that zone, then we may reconsider the other methods, and we can even expect between 46,500 also. Okay, let us see how the price reacts here. So that's the idea in Bank Nifty, okay, either from here or here. And why I'm saying from here itself, since the price reached the important support of 48,000 and the pattern seems like a diagonal, I had that option, but at the same time, the fourth wave also formed a diagonal pattern. So that's why I said it can move from here itself or one more lower. A few had a doubt in this. So that's the reason I said the price can move from here itself or from here. Got it? So this is the assumption on Bank Nifty. And Nifty also, yes, the price can move right from here, or if it comes, the closest support is between 23,000 to 23,850. And if the price does not support here, then we may expect which is around 22,650 to 22,550, these levels which I shared in the 2nd November analysis. The same levels which I marked here also. Okay. So primarily this is the support zone, and Bank Nifty also, this is the support zone if the price comes lower. My primary expectation is we are very close to the support unless there is a big gap down. Okay. Unless there is a big gap down below our levels, the support levels, these levels. Okay. These levels. Our marked levels can give important support, and possibly the price can even reverse. And if you see the broader markets, see, mainly most people asked for a portfolio. Can we expect some recovery, or can we expect the new highs in our portfolio from next week or from January? So this is our question. So let us see the broader markets in detail. See, this one I shared on 6th June. Okay. The June is here. Okay. 6th June. Approximately in this zone. Okay. In this big candle. I expected the price to reach around 22,836 on 6th June. So what I marked here, wave 5 completion. That means after that, the price may come lower. I hope you got it. This is on Midcap 150, and in small caps, same, the price should move higher to touch the trend line. That means both broader markets have one more wave higher. This is what we discussed in the 6th June. You can check the chart here. From 6th June, the price went higher. And if you see, I have marked this line 22,873 here approximately. Okay, a slight difference may come. So 22,800 levels I already marked in 6th June itself. And during September, okay, September 14th, this I discussed in our YouTube channel only. See, I took this screenshot because if I mark some line and if I said the price has reached the expected levels, many are not believing that we identify this top or support. And I have shared many times that we identified the both short term and long term top and bottoms. This is one other case. And see the levels I marked here, 22,530. This is not any random numbers. So 22,530 is the first resistance. And if the price crosses this 22,530, we can reach 22,850 plus 873, which is the level I marked in here, 1.618. Okay. And see what happened in Midcap 150. See, I not changed anything, 22,530, 22,530 and 22,873. I not even changed any line. I just took the chart because we not analyzed the broader markets in our videos recently. And if you watch that, see the high made was 22,515 and we expect 22,530. How precisely the price turns from our resistance. Okay, and you can see the price almost reached 19,400, which is also expected here. Okay, after that the price should decline. And same in the case of the small caps. See, I marked two lines here, 19,797, and if the price crosses here, the price may reach 22,000. So what happened to small caps? The price took resistance at 19,797 itself. See, 19,797. I hope you can see these levels in the video. Okay, so again, everything has been updated in our video and all these levels are already discussed in our YouTube video itself. So the price not crossed this 19,800 and the price facing resistance. So what we can expect in the broader markets and how it affects our portfolio. So as per this analysis, okay, the entire wave 3 has been completed in the midcap 150, right? Let us move to the chart. Okay, in this case, if you expect a minimum 38% decline in broader markets, it just reached 23%, which is the minimum requirement. And the 38% comes to around 17,500, another 2,500 points drop in the broader markets. Okay, this is one point. Just have this idea in mind and let us move on to the small caps. In small caps, the wave 3 I marked here. Okay, it has not reached the minimum expectation of 22,000 in small cap. Even if you notice, I have shared in Twitter today, all these can be part of subways of wave 3 also. We can identify only after the price moves higher. This I shared yesterday on 17th Jan. So in this way, the small cap not yet completes the wave 3. Why should mid cap 150 also completes the wave 3? So in this way, since I'm expecting support around Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we need to align the all other indices. That's the basic concept of Dow theory. So my expectation is the wave 3 can still go higher. Okay, this is the assumption in Nifty also, right? Nifty also not completed the bigger wave 3. In daily chart, you can see this wave 3 not yet completed, bigger wave 3s. Considering these things, even the broader markets may move higher in wave 3 itself. So in this case, we should not take this number from here, and this can be from here. If you take like this, the price already reaches the 38.2%, which is very important support. Even if you take like here, it reaches in between 23.6% to 38.2%. So if the price makes one more low, it can take support in between these lines and may start moving higher. Okay, got it? So the wave 3 may still proceed. And in this case, okay, if we analyze like this, so we can expect a support in broader markets in coming days. This is small cap. Okay. So price reaches the channel bottom. So yes, if you check in daily chart, maybe a one more low right from here, the price may take support and move higher. I hope you understand the concept behind it. Since I'm expecting supports in overall markets, I am assuming like this. But if Nifty and Bank Nifty not supports as per our these levels, then as we analyzed, the broader markets also may move to 18,000 also. This is midcap 150. So that view comes next. Okay. So the primary view is, yes, we are very close to the support zone, maybe one more low, and the last low may come in overall markets. This is the understanding I'm having now. So possibly overall Nifty, Bank Nifty, small cap, mid cap has reached the important support, and maybe it can take one more low below the previous low and may start its reversal. We don't know whether it is going to make a new all-time high now. So we need to see how the price bounces, and I'm expecting a very good bounce at least. And based on that bounce, we can decide whether we are going to reach all-time high or one more complex structure down and we are going to one more high. But in long term, all these are part of wave 3 only. We have a wave 4 and another wave 5. So a lot more upside is possible in coming months. So in my opinion, all indices are in wave 3 only. Okay, in larger wave 3. So considering all these factors, we may expect price respects these supports, whatever we discussed in this video. We may see a new all-time high or a very good recovery bounce in the markets. This is the overall view about our markets currently. Fine. Let us move on to the commodity analysis. The first one is crude oil. See, the price as per expectation has been reached around $77 from $70. Okay, this is what we expected, and even the price came out of the trend line. So the idea here is, see, this is what we discussed, okay, 1, 2, 3, but seeing the nature, all can be wave 3, okay, wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5 can go around 82 to $84. This is the expectation now, but based on the uh, pullback in wave 4, the target for wave 5 can change. This is the general idea now, but we need to see whether the price consolidating here or not, because it can be a wave 4. But if the price takes immediate support here in the trend line and immediately moves higher, the idea can be the price can still in wave 3, got it, and a wave 4 pullback and a wave 5 to uh, around 84. Got it? This is the understanding and this is the expectation now. So in the both cases, the price can still move higher. The question is whether after a consolidation or sideways or directly moving higher. Okay, this is the two situations I'm expecting, and we need to see how the price reacts, and it can be easily identified. If it is wave 4, the price will consolidate here, and important supports can be around 76 to 75. Okay, in this case, if the price does not came here and directly moving higher, you can take this option. Okay, so this is the update on crude oil and silver. The interesting chart, because interesting means we need to wait for confirmation, because we expected the support to around minimum expectation is $28 to $27, but the price came lower, very close to that, but 28.7. Okay, even if the price comes to 28 directly here, I would have think about the end of the correction. Here, yes, it is possible of end of correction, but we need to wait for some confirmation. So what are those levels and how it can be decided? See, the first thing is we can use the channel for confirmation, okay, and the price can still come lower. Okay, this is a primary expectation of $28 to $27, and this is valid only if the price comes below this low. Until that, it is not valid. Please understand, because this is a new wave. This is not the part of this wave. It can be another A, B, C. Yes, it is possible. Okay. For that, we need to see important level, and that level is this this previous low. For $28 to $27 to be valid, the price needs to come below this previous low of around 28.75. You can check in your chart. So this is for the our previous expectation of one more low to $27 to $28. What is the case of moving higher? So how it can be decided? Here, if the price, okay, this can be a diagonal or it can be a even wave B. So just check how the price moving here. If it breaks out, yes, obviously it coming out of the channel. But if the price comes lower, taking support around this zone, and if it moves higher, crossing above this high may confirm that the price may move higher, and this can be the possible end of correction, and it can be confirmed after crossing above 32.5. So the same understanding I'm giving how to recognize the change in patterns. Got it? So for downside, the price needs to come below this previous low, and we need to check how the price reacting here. It may give a even pullback and cross higher. So if the pullback comes below this point, yes, this is valid. If the pullback stops and moving above this high, then this is valid. Got it? Why I am having this views? Because in silver we identify the correction here. Okay, this can be the end of correction also, or it can become a complex by ABC like this. So we need to wait. This B wave has a common pattern. It can become a diagonal or even it can become a B. So we need to wait for that confirmation. That's all, right? Okay, because in gold also same situation. I explained in the previous video, the price usually should reverse from here, and we can expect the gold to come around 2500 to 2400. This is what we explained in our previous weekend also. But the thing is, are we coming right from here or from here? Okay, So that's the question in silver. As I said, even it can be wave 3 here. I explained in detail in previous weekend. Same analysis uh, applies here also. So if the wave 3 completes here, it can be wave 3 or slight upwards and may come lower, and the price may go higher only crossing this previous high of 2785. Okay, so 2790. So it can be even wave B or wave 3. The thing is, after that, the price should possibly decline. Okay, my primary assumption is wave 3, and this is wave B. So wave B, it can take any pattern here. It may be an expanded flat also. So that's what I'm waiting for confirmation. So my primary expectation is the price may possibly come to 2400 or 2500, and we need to see where the price rejects. So my overall opinion in gold is some sort of correction is still expected, but we need to see where the price rejects. Okay, and in natural gas also same view. These are the things which are expecting the expanded flats, and which is not easy to do it. And based on some certain conditions and price patterns, I am expecting this. And it can be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, and this is valid only if the price comes below 3.2. Okay, and the price may move higher, and it is valid only crossing above the previous high of 4.05. And even if it goes to the previous high, you can draw these kind of structures, okay, like ending pattern, because still the corrective portion not yet completed. Okay, expected level of 2.6 has not yet met. We need to see how the price pattern developing. So if the price crosses below this point, as per our previous analysis, it can become a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we are explaining in a couple of weekend video also the same analysis. But if the price moves above this previous high, we need to see A, B, C, D, E, some sort of ending diagonal, and it may decline. So the thing is, yes, some unfinished price action in natural gas, unfinished price action in gold. Okay, so based on this, silver may also come lower directly. Okay, after a pullback, it may also take complex. So basically, in silver, gold, and natural gas, the expected corrective point has not yet met. So we need to see how the correction unfolds or any change in pattern. Primary expectation is the corrective pattern may still develop in coming days. So if you wish to learn the Elliott waves 100% practical way with 400 plus charts as practical examples, and don't think Elliottwave is the hardest to study. I made it very simple. Anyone can understand, even if you are new to Elliott waves. And so make use of it. If you wish to learn the advanced Elliott wave theory, you can register my course. I give those details in the description. And in my every YouTube channel, I'm not only saying the levels, I'm explaining the context behind the price movements. Okay, there is a reason for everything. That is my strong observation, and I am strongly believe that uh, there will be a reason for each and every price action in the markets. So to understand those reason, I am using waves as the study. Even in this video, you would have observed many things like how we approach the market in broader markets, right? Broader market charts. What is the possibility? How to alter the count? What should be the thought process? And even in gold and silver, if you already know Elliott wave, these things will add much value to your analysis and understanding the wave theory. So if you like my analysis and if you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel and you can share it with your fellow traders and friends. So thanks for all your support. The levels and opinions shared in the video are only for learning the wave theory and not any buy or sell recommendations. Capital protection is the top priority in stock market trading. So trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Happy weekend.